I'm Doug Nicol, second generation carrot farmer for our family business, BD MD Nicol & Son Proprietary Limited, commonly known as Nicol Carrots. We own and operate over 700 acres of property located on the northern Adelaide Plains. We supply major supermarkets, wholesalers and independent greengrocers Australia-wide and internationally. Our irrigation systems and pump houses were installed 30 to 40 years ago. We needed to upgrade but required a partner that would work with us in designing a system that works for us. We've been contracting Irribiz now for over 3 years to work with us in upgrading our large infrastructure and water solutions. In 2020, we approached Nick Jarmus from Irribiz, Virginia, to supply and install a new irrigation system on our newly acquired 80-acre property. Working in agriculture, water is our lifeblood. To produce a premium quality product requires a robust, efficient and high-quality irrigation system. Drawing on Nick's knowledge and experience, he proposed a solution that satisfied all of our requirements: reliability, efficiency and user-friendly, allowing us to irrigate from 1 acre up to 30 acres at any one time. The lightweight design incorporates aluminium pipes with sprinklers on risers, giving us the ability to relocate the pipes from field to field to prepare the ground for the next season, saving us time and money. In 2022, we purchased another property and worked closely with the Irribiz team again to design an irrigation system and pump house to meet our requirements. From start to finish, the team provided exceptional service, making the project a huge success. From design, purchasing, right through to the completion of the project, Irribiz worked with us consistently to meet all our requirements. We were absolutely thrilled with the results achieved, and there's only one place to go. That's Irribiz.